Let's go for our final dinner in Taipei ever. It is really coming down. I really hope there isn't a long lineup. And I think I'm wrong. Here we are. And there's a huge lineup. Just as I thought. Ooh, wow. This lineup is ridiculous. All this for beef noodle soup. Better be good. That's all I know. Better be good. We are almost at the front of the line. So excited! We're almost at the front of the line at Lin Dang Fong beef noodle soup. Very exciting. Very, very exciting. It smells amazing. That is the lineup behind us. And this is the lineup in front of us. Meaning beef noodle soup will soon be in our bellies. Alright, here we go. Our table is ready. Here it is. Here it is. The beef noodle soup has arrived. Mmm. It smells so good. We also got a couple of these side dishes to try. These dried little fishes and the pickled cucumber. Let's do it. Cheyenne can't eat this, okay? Peanuts. Alright, little fishies with peanuts. Too bad you can't have any, honey. Sorry to rub it in, but you can't have any. There are peanuts inside.
What about the other one?
The other one you can.
Yeah.
That is what it looks like. And this is what it will taste like. Mmm. It's good. It is good. Try it, beef. Mmm. Beef is good. Noodle. So good. Loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Cheyenne, what do you think of this? Worth the half-hour wait? Yeah? Awesome. What do you think? The one who loves it the most is my mom. Very, very good.
And the noodles are so fun to chew on.
Mm-hmm.
And they can suck up like spaghetti.
The noodles are so chewy and fresh.
That's why I like
That's a thumbs up from Cheyenne. And a thumbs up from me.